Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to share some points on cleanliness. Cleanliness is a habit that should be naturally followed by individuals and the society as well. A clean and healthy society is very essential and important for the environment and the progress and the growth of the nation. Get up early in the morning when the air is fresh and unpolluted. Moreover, the mind being fresh in the morning, your brain also becomes more alert. Brush your teeth well. Food particles get stuck between the teeth if left without cleaning. The teeth will root. The bacteria in the rotten teeth will get into your stomach, causing diseases. Therefore, it is good if you brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning time and in the night before going to bed. Take bath with soap. Our body accumulates dust and dirt from the air around us. The dirt is washed away from soap. You will feel fresh after a bath. After bath, we must clean our body with a clean towel. Dress up neatly. Neatness does not mean one has to be rich and wear costly dresses. Even you have only two dresses, you should wash them and wear them neatly. Neat dress will brighten up your mind, making you happy and cheerful. Do you know dirty clothes smell horribly? If you wear dirty clothes, no one will come near you. We should wash our hands after using the bathroom, before eating or preparing food, after touching pets or other animals, after blowing our nose and coughing, after playing outside, before and after visiting a sick relative or a friend. We should wash our hands. Stop bad germs from spreading by taking care of your body. Cover your mouth and nose when sneezing or coughing. Wash your hands often while with soap and warm water or hand sanitizer. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Avoid close contact with the people who are sick and keep your distance from others when you are sick. Get plenty of sleep. Eat healthy food and drink lots of water. Exercise regularly. By these steps, you can be a germ buster. Our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi has started Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Clean India, Green India. Hindu believes that cleanliness brings prosperity and blessings of God. So there is a famous proverb said, cleanliness is next to godliness, or we can say that cleanliness is godliness. After personal cleaning, we must keep our surroundings clean and pure. This hygiene will keep you healthy physically and mentally. Keep the garbage in the dustbin, wet garbage in the green and dry garbage in the blue bin. Avoid plastic bags and use paper bags. Clean India, Green India. Keep our city clean and green. It is the only place where we can live. Let's take a pledge. Swachh Bharat, Harit Bharat. Green pledge. I shall do my best for protecting the earth and its natural environment. I shall also adopt such practices that would minimize wastage. I shall reuse whatever I can. I shall take care of clean up the environment. I shall reduce the waste we create. I shall plant more trees. I shall conserve energy and water. Thank you.